The peace of God be with you all. Amen. Romans chapter 15 verses 33. Hello, beautiful family. Welcome to day 10 of Vlogmas series 2023. We're going to make this delicious sweet potato stir fry that you are absolutely going to love, and it can be paired with anything that comes in mind. Please stay tuned. Ingredients of this recipe, I bet you have everything in your pantry already. You need your sweet potatoes, some seasoning, garlic, red onions, and a bit of salt, and of course some olive oil or any oil of choice. Really, it does not matter. You may also differ to use some butter. It works so well. So first off, you want to peel off the skin of your potatoes, and once you're done, you want to go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces as you see me do on the screens. So easy. And of course, you may decide to cut it into any form and shapes that you prefer. Okay. So please, fam, do not forget to give me your thumbs up and also share to a few friends and family if you want me to give you lots more of this Vlogmas series. I told you just December we're cooking full time. And I hope you're enjoying all the Vlogmas series. If you do, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It's very, very important. All right. So now we've cut all our potatoes. They're looking absolutely good. And you go ahead and give it a wash. And while that is going on, you want to make sure that you have also on the other side put some water to a boil, and in the water you may want to go ahead and add a little bit of salt, bring it to a boil, and then add your sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes really does not take time to cook at all. So depending on how you like your sweet potatoes, it really varies from 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Its cooking time is very, 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 very fast, so you do not want to overcook this. Because we will be stir frying, I'm going to just boil it for about 3 minutes, and that is it. I'll go ahead and rinse it and then put it aside, allow it to rest a little bit while I go ahead and chop my red onions. Here you may also use some white onions if that's what you have, or spring onions as well. They are absolutely great. As long as it's onions and it's going to give it flavor, it is absolutely amazing to use. All right. So now I'm done chopping my onions, and I'm going to get all my seasoning and garlic ready. And I'm going to put a little bit of oil in my frying pot, just a little bit, not too much, okay? And I'll then go ahead and add my pre-boiled sweet potatoes. So I'll stir fry these sweet potatoes for about 2 minutes, and then go ahead with my chopped red onions. I know I'm using lots of onions here, but if you do not like that much, you may go ahead and reduce the portion, or just use other type of onions that you prefer. If you do not want it chunky, also go ahead and chop it in smaller pieces if that's what you actually like, okay? You can go ahead and fry these for about 2 minutes as well, and then go in with your minced garlic. This is what I will really tell you not to omit, because the taste and the aroma of garlic in here is going to take the sweet potatoes to a whole different level. You can use just these 2 ingredients, and I promise you, you're going to come out with just delicious sweet potatoes you've ever had. Stir fry everything. You saw me also add my seasoning. It doesn't really matter. Use any seasoning, all-purpose seasoning of choice. I also went in with a bit of crushed dried pepper. It gives that sweet spice and everything nice vibe, which is absolutely delicious. Fry these for about 3 to 5 minutes on a low medium heat, and you should be done. We are done, family. as simple as ABC. I really hope you try this recipe for your guests this holiday season because you're absolutely going to love it. Thanks so very much for watching, family. I am so glad that you watched right to the end. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, you may pair this with any protein of choice. We paired it with lamb chops, which I also have the recipe here. I'm going to link it here and below as well. I also made this delicious white sauce to go with it. You just need a little bit of lime and some sour cream, a bit of seasoning. Mix everything together. Yes, I also love to have a little bit of herbs. You may go ahead and use your favorite herbs that you like, and it's absolutely delicious that way. I used a little bit of dill and it was so good. I love that herbs in my white sauce. It tastes absolutely delicious. So there you have it, family. Thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Have a blessed day.